Hi everyone, I'm Angie Kellen for SID. Today we're in Vancouver, Canada at the 50th anniversary of Display Week. Right now I'm at E-Ink's booth. Joining me is Giovanni Mancini, and he is the Director of Marketing at E-Ink. How are you?
I'm fine, Angie. How are you?
Good, thank you. Well, I want to know a little bit about E-Ink. Can you tell me about the company?
Sure. Most people know E-Ink as being the company that provides e-reader displays to all the e-readers in the world. But what you see in our booth today and at SID this year is that we're diversifying into a number of different areas, and our displays are being used in a number of different applications. And that's the kind of the main focus that we're talking about. We do displays for where you want to put information that you really can't put information there using any other technology.
Well, you have a fantastic looking booth in here, and I also want to say congratulations because you won an award, the Best in Show award as well. Can you tell me what you won the award for? In fact, I'm going to let you explain it. I know it's behind here. I'm going to hand you this.
Great. Thank you, Angie. We won the award for our product which we introduced yesterday. It's called Spectra. What's great about Spectra is that it's the first product where we're able to encapsulate 3 different pigments, where we have a white, a black, and a red pigment. What's great about that is that from a technology point of view, we're able to control 3 separate pigments. And the challenge there is that it's very easy to control black and white with positive and negative voltages. The question is, how do you do the third one? And that's kind of where the magic sauce is from a technology point of view, where we're able to control 3 separate pigments by making the red a special pigment and using those special properties to control what goes up and what goes down in the display. The details of that, unfortunately, we can't talk about. But what's great on the business side, by having red in your display, that has 3 important properties for retailers. The first one is that you could use red to actually enhance the branding experience that you have for your customer. Red is a color that is used in a lot of brands. And so a lot of the retail customers want to use the red as part of the branding that they showcase in their store. The second thing is that you could use the red as to highlight promotional sales that you have. So as a customer is coming in and you want to draw their attention to a particular product that you want to move, you can highlight that price or you can highlight that message in. And thirdly, you can actually use the red as for more of an informational display capability. So that way, a retailer can take these displays and they could use them in a number of different environments to promote their product.
Well, thank you very much for explaining all that, and thank you for taking your time to tell me more information and explain it to the crowd that's really amassing outside of here. I'm going to let you go, and I want to say congratulations again.
Thank you, Angie. Thank you for dropping by.
Thank you. In Vancouver, Angie Kellen for SID.